Okay. Interview with Engineer Hetolio. Sir, when po kayo when po kayo pumasa sa board?
1961.
1961. How old are you, sir?
I was born in 1939. So, although ang grade ko sa math, sa board exam was 87.
Wow.
Sa ngayon, talagang kasi walang practice eh. The reason why I got that kind of grade was during my review, I was just doing all of these problems,
So, ilang months yung review mo, Tito?
I think about 2 months.
2 months. May calculator kayo kapag nag-board exam?
At that time, this was not in vogue, no?
Wala.
Yeah.
Tapos ilang numbers po yung math niyo po? Like ilang numbers answeran?
Five problems.
Ooh, madali lang yun, Tito? Madali lang.
Well, sabi ko nga, I regret that I only got 87. I should have gotten 100%.
Galing mo! Ayan. Tapos po, ilang hours po yung isang subject na mag-take?
I think
Hindi mo natanda.
1 hour lang.
Huh?
I don't know talaga. That was a long time ago, can you imagine?
Dito, yung sa akin last week, 6 hours per subject.
Talaga.
Opo. Umiyak ka nun?
Wala. Yun na nga sa akin because at that time I was like not so interested, no? I didn't really strive hard enough. No? So hindsight ang tawag doon. Sa hindsight, I should have worked harder, no? And hope to get at the top. Pero wala ako. I was disinterested and I don't know why.
Lolo, paano nyo po nalalaman nung 1961 yung na pumasa ka? Kasi wala pang cellphone nun, di ba?
Yeah, it was published Manila Times.
Manila Times. Ano yun, Tito? Bumabayad kayo sa dyaryo?
Wala.
Wala.
That's a public public announcement.
Galing.
Even the lawyers, whatever other courses, ganun din. Newspaper yan noon.
Pahawak naman ng kamay ng isang engineer nung sinaunang engineer. Baka itong kamay na hinahawakan mo, engineer na today. Baka itong kamay na hinahawakan mo, engineer na din today.
Oo, talaga engineer ka na. Well, engineer ka na talaga.
Oh.
Kaya you should behave like a professional.
Ay, hindi yan. Hi!